Kira. It's Mommy and Allie, and we are going to the car wash. Here we go. We're driving on the street. And then we're going to turn in right here to the car wash. Hooray! We're going to pull up. Oh, there's a car in that one. So we're going to go to this one. Alright. Pulling up to the car wash right here. Alright. And I got to back up a little bit because I got to use the screen to pay for the car wash. Allie, are you back there? Hi, Allie, where are we going? We're going to the car wash. Are you scared? She's a little scared, but you're going to do it anyway? Yeah. Okay. Let me stop it.